All right. Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Caserta, and I just wanted to do some review with you about triangles. At this point in fourth grade, you just need to kind of recognize that there are three different types of triangles. As you get older, you'll classify or categorize them a little differently. But for fourth grade, you just need to understand that there are three major types of triangles. There's acute triangles, there's right triangles, and then there's triangles that are considered obtuse. So we'll start with acute. Again, we see in the word acute that it is cute and little, okay? So all angles, all right, are less than 90 degrees. Okay? So an example of that, and keep in mind I am not the best drawer here, but an example of that would be something like this, where I'm making sure that all my angles are acute and little and they are less than 90 degrees. Then you have something called a right triangle. And a right triangle has at least one angle that is 90 degrees. So one angle is 90 degrees, just like a right angle. So something like this would be like so, and here is that 90-degree angle in that triangle. Sorry for my drawings. Last but not least, we have obtuse, okay? This is where at least one angle is larger than that 90 degrees. Okay, just like an obtuse angle. So something like this would be, start way back there and come together. And this angle right here is going to be considered larger than 90 degrees. I could also draw one if that's not clear enough for you. Some of you might say that looked like a little square, Mrs. Caserta, or it looked very similar to a 90-degree angle. Again, I'm trying to do my best here. That might be better to come together like this, and this is just an angle symbol when you do the round curve. So again, that is a sorry looking triangle, but you see that has an obtuse angle in it. Okay, here's your lesson on triangles.